Welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you AOC 24G2 versus AOC 24G4. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please subscribe our channel and watch the video till the end so you cannot miss an important step.
Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about screen size. G2 provided 23.8 inches screen size and it is also provided by G4, so both are equal. Now let's look at the resolution. G2 provided Full HD 9020 into 1080 resolution and it is also provided by G4, so both are equal. Now let's look at the panel type. G2 provided IPS panel type and G4 provided VA panel type, so G2 is better. Now let's look at the refresh rate. G2 provided 165 Hz refresh rate and G4 provided 75 Hz refresh rate, so G2 is better. Now let's look at the response time. G2 provided 1 ms MPRT response time and G4 provided 4 ms response time, so G2 is better. Now let's look at the brightness. G2 provided 250 nits brightness and it is also provided by G4, so both are equal. Now let's look at the contrast ratio. 1000:1 is provided by G2 and 3000:1 is provided by G4, so G4 is better. Now let's look at the viewing angles. G2 provided 178-degree horizontal and vertical and it is also provided by G4, so both are equal. Now let's look at the speakers. No speakers is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the connectivity. In G2, 2x HDMI 1x DisplayPort 1x VGA is available and in G4, 1x HDMI 1x VGA is available, so G2 is better. And in the last, let's look at the price. The price of G2 is generally higher and the price of G4 is generally lower, so it depends upon the budget. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.